it's Christina from Christina's Crafts. I am working on Christmas ornaments for my tree this year. Now this I did buy. This is actually diamond, I guess, painting ornaments, or let's call it diamond painting, but I bought these ornaments and I got these from Temu. So I'm going to be trying these out. There are 12 different snowflakes in the package. And it comes with all the diamonds that you're going to use. And then it also comes with the little tray for the beads and the little thing that you stick in the sticky stuff. And then it also, which this is pretty bad, but it comes with the stuff that you stick in the pen. And yeah, as you can see, it got a little squished. It's not really in the best shape. And then it came with these chains. Now, I can see putting these chains on there to like hang on a Christmas tree, but they're not very big. And then they also came with these little clasps that go on there. So I don't know, I guess that's like maybe you want to put it on your purse or something. I'm not really sure. But I don't know if I'm going to be using these or not. But definitely we'll save these because you never know what you could make with them. So what I'm going to do is I am going to test these out and see how they work. Looks like there's little like signs on here. I don't really see any like numbers or anything. Oh yeah, it's got little like 2 dots, 1 dot. That's a little different from the diamond paintings that I've done. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get these all opened up. We'll get this opened up and then probably I'm going to start, I'm guessing, with like one certain color and then move on to different colors, because what you're going to do is you have to take the little plastic thing off here. So I'm probably just going to take the whole thing off and then do one whole side of the ornament because they are double-sided. So let me get this set up and then I'm going to see how well this actually works. Okay, so I'm pretty much set up. I just took my little well, mess of stuff here and stuck it in there to get the sticky stuff on the pen. And I am going to peel this off. And then I see some H's on there. So we have an H. So I'm just going to cut this off. I don't have any fancy containers or anything like that to put my diamond painting stuff in. And then I'm just going to stick this on here and we'll see how this goes. So this is H. So it looks like there's kind of like a little picture. It shows you which way to put them on the ornament. I'm used to working with like super tiny little beads, not these big things. So this is kind of interesting. I kind of thought when I got these from Temu that they weren't going to be plastic. I thought they were just going to be like a paper or something. So it's actually kind of cool that it's like a hard plastic. I don't know, I think they're gonna look really cool. I guess I'll have to see when I get one done. But this is probably, these beads are kind of bigger. This would probably be a good craft for a child to do. Could maybe save them and have see if my granddaughters want to do some of them. Okay, I'm going to finish getting the H's on here, and then I'm going to move to a different bead or diamond or whatever you want to call it. Now I have the A's out. There's quite a few of those. These are actually kind of tiny, and I am going to stick those on here. Kind of nice working with these small little things instead of a big like diamond painting. Those can get a little difficult to work with because of the size. Oops, missed that one. Okay, I'm gonna get those A's done. I think they're looking pretty cute. I guess we'll have to see. I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like. Okay, so I am still working on it. I am on the little, there's 2 dots, and it's just like kind of a light blue, but it's looking pretty good. They're very sparkly. I probably have too many lights on right now because I'm filming, but they're kind of blinding me a little bit. So maybe if it was a little darker, I think that it would be easier to do because they're so shiny. So that's what it's looking like so far. I don't know, I think they're gonna be pretty hanging on the tree. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish this one up and show you what it looks like, but it's almost done. Okay, I have this side of this one all done. I don't know, I think it's pretty cool. I don't know why on earth they would put these gold chains in with this because that just looks goofy. But anyways, that side's done. So now I'm gonna flip it over and do the other side. So that way, I'll be able to just put the whatever string or whatever I'm gonna use in there and it'll hang, and it's okay if it flips around because they are 2-sided, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this one up. Okay, I finished one, front and back. Looks pretty good. I think they're gonna look really pretty hanging on the tree. So I have 11 more of these to do. It looks like from what I can see, they're all different. There are none that are the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all these done, and then I'm just basically gonna show you them when I finish. But yeah, I would definitely say these are pretty cool. I like these. So I have all of my ornaments done, and the thing that I noticed is that the sticky stuff is all over the ornament. So when I touch it, my fingers are actually sticking to it, which means that there's dirt and stuff's gonna get on there. So what you could do is you could just take some Mod Podge. I would probably take some gloss Mod Podge and put it on there. But a while ago I bought this diamond painting sealer from Amazon, and I'm gonna try that and see how this works. Cause then this should seal all the sticky parts that are on here. So I am just gonna take this and just rub this on here. I'm gonna do one side at a time. It says about 30 minutes for it to set. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that to all of the ornaments. So sealing them almost did the trick. They're still, but they might still be a little dry or still a little wet yet, but definitely not. This is the back side, not as bad as the back side. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna flip all these around, and I am going to take my diamond painting sealer and do the back sides of all of these. Okay, so both sides are dry. There is still a little bit of stickiness to it. It's probably where I didn't get the sealer in there very good, but I'm gonna hang these on my tree right away. So I'm assuming that they're gonna dry out, hopefully by the time I box them up to put them away for the year. So I am just taking some of this baker's twine that I got at Dollar Tree. I wish I had some kind of sparkly type ribbon or something to put on here, but unfortunately I do not. So I'm just going to use this colored baker's twine that I have. And I'm really just going to go like that. And maybe cut that a little bit shorter at the top. I probably could go like this and hot glue it down here. But honestly, I think it's going to look better with the tie up at the top, because you won't even see that part once you put it around the branch. So I would say I'm going to try to see if these are still available through Temu and link it in the description. I apologize if I cannot find it. I apologize in advance, but you could just look up diamond painting ornaments on Temu and you'd probably find them. So yeah, I think they look pretty neat. I don't know. I can't remember exactly what I paid for them. I don't think it was a lot, but they were definitely fun to do and they're very pretty and very sparkly. So yeah, I just want to say I would definitely say it was worth whatever it was that I paid for them. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching my review of these ornaments. I would really love it if you like the video, share it, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have a great night. Thanks for watching. Bye.